Namaskar, good evening. You're watching India Upfront and I'm Swati Joshi. If yesterday it was the turn of Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav to make headlines by raising the Sambhal issue, today it was UP ka dusra ladka, Rahul Gandhi, who tried to get a piece of the political pie. With full fanfare, a copy of the constitution in his hand, his sister and Wayanad MP in tow, the leader of opposition made his way to Sambhal. However, as expected, the entourage was stopped by the police. Reason? The very same restrictions that stalled Congress and Samajwadi Party's previous attempts at entering Sambhal to meet the families of the deceased. But Gandhi's claim that those regulations do not apply to the leader of opposition.
As LOP, मेरा अधिकार बनता है कि मैं जा सकता हूं. एक्चुअली जो LOP के अधिकार हैं उसके खिलाफ है. मेरा जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अधिकार है उसको मुझे दिया नहीं जा रहा है.
राहुल जी नेता प्रतिपक्ष हैं, प्लीज उनके संवैधानिक अधिकार होते हैं, वो बाकी लोगों से अलग होते हैं, उनको रोका नहीं जा सकता. इस तरह से उनका संवैधानिक पद है, संवैधानिक अधिकार है कि उनको अलाउ किया जाए कि वो पीड़ितों से मिलने जाएं.
आखिरकार भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार छिपाना क्या चाहती है? पहले दिन से ही इस बात को सबने कहा है. समाजवादी पार्टी का भी यही मानना है और समाजवादी पार्टी के साथ साथ आम जनता का ये मानना है, जो कुछ करा धरा है सब भारतीय जनता पार्टी के इशारे पर वहां के प्रशासन ने ये घटना की है.
Now, the Congress may allege that their leaders' constitutional rights were being trampled upon. The question on everyone's mind is, why now? Why only after it looked like the Samajwadi Party had taken lead in extracting political mileage that Sambhal unrest provides? Did Team Rahul chalk out his UP itinerary? This attack may have come from the Bharatiya Janata Party, but the answer came from Samajwadi Party leader Ram Gopal Yadav. Listen into what he said.
हमारी पार्टी तो पहले ही जा चुकी है, नहीं जाने दिया, ये तो अब बाद में जा रहे हैं.
अब क्यों जा रहे हैं देर से इतना?
ये उन्हीं को पूछो. हमारी पार्टी तो पहले ही जा चुकी है, नहीं जाने दिया, ये तो अब बाद में जा रहे हैं.
अब क्यों जा रहे हैं देर से इतना?
ये उन्हीं को पूछो. हमारी पार्टी तो पहले ही जा चुकी है, नहीं जाने दिया, ये तो अब बाद में जा रहे हैं.
अब क्यों जा रहे हैं देर से इतना?
ये उन्हीं को पूछो.
Is Raebareli MP Sambhal sprint just a stunt? Is he racing against the Bharatiya Janata Party for brownie points or against his own ally Akhilesh Yadav? And if he claims his status as leader of opposition entitles him to defy laws to raise people's voice, why did he not do so in the parliament?
समाजवादी पार्टी और कांग्रेस पार्टी में इस बात की होड़ लगी हुई है कि मुसलमानों का सबसे बड़ा हमदर्द कौन है. दूसरा, दोनों को एक गहरा घाव लगा है, राजनीतिक घाव.
सदन के पटल पर सहयोगी दलों की साथ में लेने की असफलता के बाद आज राहुल गांधी जी उस विवशता में एक रस्म अदायगी करने के लिए उत्तर प्रदेश के संवेदनशील इस समय जो क्षेत्र है वहां संभल में जाने का प्रयास करते नजर आए.
वोट बैंक के नाम पर दंगा भड़काऊ कमेटी फिर से काम पर, और संभल पर कौन सबसे बड़ी कैप कॉम्पिटिटिव अपीजमेंट पॉलिटिक्स कर सकता है. अब इसका कंपटीशन शुरू हो चुका है. समाजवादी पार्टी ने लीड ले ली, कांग्रेस ने कहा कि हम पीछे क्यों.
Let's open this up and go across to our guests. We are joined by Guru Prakash, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. We also have Harshvardhan Tripathi, senior journalist on the panel, along with Kamruzaman Chaudhary, political analyst, Faizan Kidwai, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, and Danish Qureshi, spokesperson of the AIMIM. Good evening to all of you. I want to begin with you, Kamruzaman Chaudhary. What does Rahul Gandhi mean that he is not being given his constitutional rights as the LOP? He should be allowed. He has a right to go. Is the leader of opposition above law? Should the prohibitory orders be, taken away when the leader of opposition is visiting, irrespective of what's happening there?
No, Swati, good evening first and foremost. Most importantly, is Sambhal turned into a fortress? Are we living in a police state right now? Swati, may I just ask you one simple question? Has any of your Times Now journalists been able to visit Sambhal as on today? Any journalist for that matter, forget about the Times Now. Even the government's most loved channel of ANI, they have not been able to visit Sambhal and see what is the condition after the Sambhal killings out there. This is a total travesty of justice. The leader of the opposition who represents the other side of the government is not being able to go and visit the people who are being affected out there. 5 people have been killed out there. More than 30 have been arrested and 200 are being hounded by the Uttar Pradesh administration. The people who ordered the firing on the people in Sambhal, the same SP and the DM are still there on the chair. A namesake judicial
Kamruzaman
inquiry has been
Chaudhary, the
ordered in
administration
Sambhal.
said that
We all know
outsiders
the
will not
contents
be
of the
allowed.
inquiry committee
That
out there
outsiders
and
will
who are
not
the
be
members
allowed,
of that.
keeping in
It's a
mind
biased out
the
there.
law and order
No,
situation.
why not?
Is
No,
law
one
and
thing,
order not the
Swati-
state subject?
Swati,
Does the
one
state
thing
government
let me-
and the administration not have the right to take a call on
Has
that?
the BJP? No.
No, the state does not have the right to take a call on that. They cannot. They cannot.
Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes.
Then why are you saying that your leader of opposition is above law?
The point here is that Sandesh Khali, you were able to send the NHSRC, you were able to send the NCPR, Mr. Kanungo, without any hesitation. They
Did
came
Rahul
in
Gandhi
Sandesh
try and go
Khali,
to Sandesh
they
Khali,
visited the
sir?
violence hit areas.
Did Rahul Gandhi
Have you
try and go to
sent the
Sandesh Khali?
NHSRC?
Did Rahul Gandhi try and go to Sandesh Khali?
wait. That is not the point.
No, why?
He is
Is it because it's a TMC ruled state?
He went to Manipur. He is
No,
going to.
he didn't
why
go
not?
to
Why not?
Sandesh
What
Khali.
is the UP
Is that
government
because
trying
it's
to
a
hide
TMC
in
ruled
summer?
state and
The
Uttar Pradesh is a
question will be
BJP ruled
asked.
state?
No. It's not the question of the BJP ruled state. It's a total secrecy that the Uttar Pradesh administration is managing.
No, since you mentioned Sandesh Khali, sir, since you mentioned Sandesh Khali, the TMC government there and the administration decided that prohibitory orders will be in place. They will not allow any political leader to go there because they believe at that point of time that could, lead to a breakdown of law and order situation. That happened in 2013 as well when the Samajwadi Party was in power. One second. It happened in 2012 in the national capital during the Nirbhaya case that such decisions were taken. Was that all done to trample on people's constitutional rights?
No, the point is that the SP is still not suspended. The DM is not yet been suspended.
You're shifting the goalposts
Under the same
continuously. I asked you a very
administration
simple
who
question. If there are
ordered
prohibitory
firing on the
orders in
civilians,
place, if the administration says we are not allowing outsiders till the situation is normalized, then why is it that the
That's
leader of
what I'm
opposition...
telling.
No, one second.
Yes.
Then why are you saying that the leader of
Swati.
opposition has special rights? Is he above law? You've not answered the question. Let me bring in Guru Prakash. Guru Prakash, why are you scared of Rahul Gandhi?
No, Swati, we have to understand that if in today's India hypocrisy had a face, it would be Mr. Rahul Gandhi's face. Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Madam Priyanka Gandhi, let me make this very clear on your show tonight. They were very much conscious of the fact that they will not be allowed because like you mentioned, there are prohibitory orders in action. Mr. Rahul Gandhi, knowing this, did this political stunt. He did this political drama. And all the videos were out in the social media, were out in the public domain. The people, the local people were inconvenienced because of the traffic jam. For how long, Mr. Rahul Gandhi? I want to ask you tonight, for how long are you going to treat the people of India like this?
But
only for your political leverage.
Rahul
You are
Gandhi
very
offered
much
to go
aware of the
alone. He
fact
said, I'm
there
ready
is a
to go with
communal
your police
situation,
officers.
but you want to
I'm
get
ready to
political
go with
leverage.
the people of your administration. I'm ready to go alone. You should have allowed him to go alone there and meet the people.
Swati, no one is a fool out here. No one is a fool out here. Mr. Rahul Gandhi is very well aware of the fact. वो जानते हैं इस बात को that he will not be allowed beyond a point. But the point is something else. The point is what Keshav Prasad Maurya said. There is a competitive minority appeasement politics in action. Mr. Rahul Gandhi was snubbed today. On your show, I saw Mr. Ram Gopal Yadav snubbing Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Yesterday, we saw how a senior leader, Kirti Azad, when he said that Mamata Banerjee could be the leader of India Alliance, this MP of Congress party said, what a joke. So Mr. Rahul Gandhi is losing the plot.
You're saying this is a race between the allies. This is one upmanship is what you're saying. Very quick comment again from Kamruzaman Chaudhary. Your own allies are saying कि आप तो अब जा रहे हैं, आप तो बाद में जा रहे हैं, हम तो पहले ही चले गए, हमको जाने नहीं दिया. Also, this has happened after the Samajwadi Party has reminded the Congress Party that Sambhal is a bigger issue because in the parliament all that one heard from the Congress was Adani, Adani, Adani. Now all of a sudden Congress leaders are saying, it's basic humanity to go there and speak to individuals who are suffering from grief and loss.
No, Swati, you must understand the context with which Rahul Gandhi wanted to visit Sambal is to actually see what's exactly happening in Sambal, because no first-hand reports are coming inside from Sambal, no journalists are allowed there, not even a single TV channel has visited the affected people. We have been seeing some WhatsApp forwards that the bulldozers are in action despite the Supreme Court order out there. Rahul Gandhi had visited Wayanad also, he had visited Manipur also, he has visited other places where there were violence.
There was violence in Bahraich. There was violence in Bahraich, sir. Rahul Gandhi didn't go to Bahraich.
Very much perfect.
He didn't go to Sandesh Khali. There was violence in Sandesh Khali as well.
It's not the question of going or not going. The question is whether
It is about going or not going. You're just saying it is about going or not going because you are saying Rahul Gandhi is not being allowed to go. He wants to go there and get a sense of what's happening first. And it is about going there. And you are not answering on Sandesh Khali or Bahraich because that's BJP rule. This is BJP rule state and Sandesh Khali is TMC rule state.
No, the point. It's not the question of the TMC and BJP rule state. What happened in Sambal out here, the killings of Sambal has been condemned by everybody. The high-handedness of the UP administration, the SP DM who ordered the firing have not yet been suspended.
Again, I'll have to ask you that high-handedness was questioned in Sandesh Khali as well, but Rahul Gandhi did not go to Sandesh Khali. You're not answering a very simple question. I will bring in Harshvardhan Tripathi. हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी जी, अब देखिए किस तरह के स्टेटमेंट्स आ रहे हैं. केसी वेणुगोपाल कह रहे हैं कि बेसिक ह्यूमैनिटी है कि आप किसी ऐसे व्यक्ति के साथ खड़े रहे हैं जिसने ग्रीफ और लॉस देखा है अपनों को खो करके. उसके बाद प्रियंक खड़गे कह रहे हैं कि राहुल गांधी वहां जाना चाहते हैं, लोगों को सुनना चाहते हैं, फिर उनके कंसर्न्स पार्लियामेंट में रेज करना चाहते हैं, जबकि आप पार्लियामेंट में सुन रहे हैं अदानी. समाजवादी पार्टी को कहना पड़ रहा है कि भाई संभल बड़ा मुद्दा है. राम गोपाल यादव कह रहे हैं कि हम तो पहले ही जा चुके थे, ये अब बाद में जा रहे हैं, इनसे पूछिए. तो यहाँ आपको क्या सिलेक्टिव नहीं नजर आ रहा है रवैया राहुल गांधी जी का, या फिर बीजेपी जो है उनको जाने नहीं दे रही है और बीजेपी राहुल गांधी को बड़ा बना रही है, वो डर दिख रहा है बीजेपी का आपको?
देखिए स्वाति, सबसे पहले तो ये कि मुझे लगता है कि लोकतंत्र में किसी भी नेता को, किसी भी पार्टी को कहीं भी जाने का अधिकार है. एक तो सुबह से प्रियंका और राहुल ने बोला, पता नहीं वो पढ़ा नहीं, उन्होंने संविधान जानते नहीं है या कुछ उनको किसी ने बता दिया, और उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन को ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट्स हैं. तो थोड़ा ये समझना चाहिए कि जो अधिकार स्वाति जी को है, जो गुरुप्रकाश जी को है, कमरुज्जमा जी को है, या हम में से किसी को है, वही अधिकार राहुल गांधी को है. कहीं भी कोई भी जा सकता है, जाना ही चाहिए. विपक्ष का काम ही है, संभल जहां पर 5 लोगों की जान चली गई, जाना ही चाहिए. लेकिन कई बार जब प्रोहिबिटरी ऑर्डर्स होते हैं, कई बार लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की सिचुएशन होती है, और जो कुछ वहां हुआ उस पर थोड़ा एक तरह से कहें कि पूरे प्रकरण पर ठीक से बात करनी चाहिए. सिर्फ यहां से बात करेंगे कि अगर 5 लोगों की जान चली गई और उनके साथ कोई खड़ा है कि नहीं, तो रामगोपाल मिश्रा भी, तो उसकी भी तो जान चली गई थी, उसके परिवार वालों से कोई नहीं मिला. संदेश खाली में कोई नहीं मिला. आरजी कर मेडिकल कॉलेज की उस डॉक्टर के परिवार से कोई नहीं मिला. नवाब सिंह यादव जिस बच्ची के साथ आरोप लगा उससे कोई नहीं मिला. जिस अयोध्या में जो निषाद समाज की बच्ची थी उससे कोई नहीं मिला. सवाल यहां नहीं है कि किससे कौन मिल रहा है, सवाल यह है कि क्या सिर्फ हेडलाइन बनाने के लिए संवेदनशील से संवेदनशील मुद्दे के एक तरह से कहें कि मजाक बनाया जा रहा है.
नहीं, प्रियंक खड़गे कह रहे हैं कि पहले वो जाएंगे, लोगों से मिलेंगे, समझेंगे, देन ही विल रेज देयर कंसर्न्स इन पार्लियामेंट, व्हिच ऑफ कोर्स लाइक आई सेड एंड लाइक यू पॉइंटेड आउट, दिस इज आफ्टर द समाजवादी पार्टी हैज रिमाइंडेड देम दैट वेक अप, संबल इज अ बिगर इशू. फैजान Kinway, what is happening? Is this a competition between the allies now, and this is one upmanship which is happening?
See, there's no one upmanship or there's no competition going here. This is really very unfortunate the way the ruling party is stopping Shri Akhilesh Yadav, who's a former Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, who's the leader of a party who has the maximum number of MPs in Uttar Pradesh, to either go himself or send a delegation to meet the aggrieved families and offer his condolences and assure them that justice will be done. Similarly, Mr. Rahul Gandhi also, they feel has no right to go as an LOP to visit people who are suffering right now. The only people who have the right is Mr. Vishnu Jain, who gets an ex-party order within hours and then leads a riotous mob with this gentleman. This person
was
is
there a
local
prohibitory order in place when Vishnu Jain went?
Vishnu
was that
Jain,
not after the court order?
Swati, Swati, the thing is, let me just complete.
No, timeline गड़बड़ हो रही है ना सर?
No, Swati, timeline gadbani. On one hand, the Uttar Pradesh police is saying everything is under control. Isn't it saying the same thing? Isn't the Uttar Pradesh police saying that everything is in control? Sambhal is settled now. There is no chaos there. Isn't the police saying the same thing? Isn't the administration saying the same thing? You tell me.
Okay.
It's saying, right?
Okay.
So if everything is fine right now,
Okay.
why is there a curfew? Why don't you let
Okay, valid
the
point.
opposition party
Let me
members
take a
go?
response on that. Guru Prakash, if there is no fresh violence, if the administration is saying things are under control at the moment, then what is the fear? Law and order aapki responsibility hai. Why are you not allowing the netas to go visit the family members?
No. Netas have every right to go and visit the family members. But why this selectivity? And you know that there is a communally sensitive atmosphere. You want to take political leverage out of it. Bada vichitra hai. This is beyond my comprehension. On one hand, you will see constitution. On the other hand, when the police is trying to do, when the survey is happening, when we are following the Supreme Court directives, then what's the problem? Constitution does not operate in vacuum. संविधान हवा में नहीं चलता है. संविधान संस्थानों से चलता है.
If they are going to meet the injured policemen,
आप वहां जाकर के दंगों को
एक
बर्दाश्त
मिनट,
करते
गुरु
हैं.
प्रकाश, अगर ये नेता कहें that they are going to meet the injured policemen or the family of the policemen, would you have allowed them? आप कहते जाइए, अब मिल लीजिए.
No. See, that is a prerogative. That is a prerogative of the state government. I'm not sitting there. I'm not responsible for law and order. Whoever is responsible for law and order has the call, has the decision. But point is, Swati, last 10 seconds, we have to understand, ये जो selectivity है राहुल गांधी की, आप पूरे दिन SC/ST OBC करते हैं. अभी लोकसभा के चुनाव निकले थे. उन चुनावों में भारतीय जनता पार्टी को वोट देने के लिए समाजवादी पार्टी का नेता उसकी हत्या कर देता है. वहां क्यों नहीं गए राहुल गांधी जी? आप पूरे देश में घूमते हैं, दलित कहां है, आदिवासी कहां है, दलित कहां है, आदिवासी कहां है, और यहां आपको तुष्टीकरण करने का मौका मिला. यू सॉ द फर्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी देयर. लाइक आई सेड, इट्स अ कॉम्पिटिटिव माइनॉरिटी अपीसमेंट. कौन ज्यादा तुष्टीकरण कर सकता है, कौन ज्यादा मुस्लिम तुष्टीकरण कर सकता है?
Competitive minority appeasement is the term that you have used. Before I take a counter from Kamruzaman Chaudhary, I want to go across Danish Qureshi, spokesperson of AIMIM. Is that what is happening? Competitive minority appeasement between the Congress and the Samajwadi Party?
आई थिंक मुझे लगता है कि चाहे कांग्रेस हो, चाहे समाजवादी पार्टी हो या और कोई भी हो, ये तमाम लोग हम पहले दिन से देखते हुए आ रहे हैं. अगर इनको इतनी ही चिंता है आप संभल के मामले को लेकर के या और जितने भी धार्मिक स्थान हैं उन तमाम मामलों को लेकर के, तो पार्लियामेंट में एक साथ जोरदार आवाज सदा बुलंद क्यों नहीं की जाती प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट पर क्लैरिफिकेशन के लिए? क्यों? क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली जो चीज फाइनली एग्जीक्यूट ही नहीं की जा सकेगी, उसके लिए इतना ज्यादा हुज्जत जो हो रही है, उसके लिए कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? एक क्वेश्चन मेरा गुरु प्रकाश जी से है. आज की डेट में जिन पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स को रोका गया है, ठीक है लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की परिस्थिति है तो उनको रोका गया, लेकिन ये प्रिकॉशनरी तो था कि भाई प्रिकॉशनरी उन्होंने वहां पे स्टॉप किया कि वहां अगर जाएंगे तो दंगे होने की संभावना है. तो यही संभावना है तो विष्णु शंकर जैन जब पूरा वो लेकर के जा रहा था रसाला, वो परिस्थिति भी तो थी ना.
एक मिनट, विष्णु शंकर जैन कब गए थे?
कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
विष्णु शंकर जैन कब गए थे?
लेट मी अलाउ टू कंप्लीट.
नहीं, फिर आप लोग टाइमलाइन को उलझा देते हैं. आप ऐसे कह रहे हैं जैसे कि प्रोहिबिटरी ऑर्डर लगने के बाद विष्णु शंकर जैन गए हो.
नहीं, क्यों टाइमलाइन उलझा रहे हैं?
नहीं, प्रोहिबिटरी ऑर्डर लगने के बाद विष्णु शंकर जैन गए थे क्या?
बात तो सुनिए, मैं तो ये कह रहा हूं कि वो गए कि नहीं गए, लेकिन अल्टीमेटली अरे सुनिए मेरी बात, मुझे ये बताइए कि यहाँ क्या हो सकेगा? आप नेचर और कैरेक्टर चेंज कर सकेंगे कभी?
एक मिनट,
आज के कानून के मुताबिक नहीं कर सकेंगे.
एक मिनट, अभी ये मामला तो कोर्ट में चल रहा है सर. कोर्ट ने कहा सर्वे कीजिए, विष्णु शंकर जैन अकेले नहीं गए थे, उनके साथ मुस्लिम कमेटी के लोग थे, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के लोग उनके साथ थे. उस वक्त प्रोहिबिटरी ऑर्डर्स वर नॉट इन प्लेस. देयर वाज नो वायलेंस दैट हैपेंड. इट हैपेंड ऑन द 24th. It happened on the 24th. You are projecting it as if during the prohibitory order, Vishnu Shankar Jain and others have been allowed and the Congress party and Samajwadi party netas have been stopped.
सारा हंगामा उसी ने क्रिएट किया है और उसके ऊपर FIR होनी चाहिए. सारा हंगामा उसी का क्रिएटेड है.
हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी जी, सारा हंगामा अब विष्णु शंकर जैन का क्रिएटेड है और FIR विष्णु शंकर जैन पर होनी चाहिए.
स्वाति जी, चूंकि विष्णु जैन जी यहाँ है नहीं, तो पत्रकार होने के नाते मेरी जिम्मेदारी एक तो बनती है कि जो फैक्ट है वो मैं बता दूं. पहली बात तो ये कि विष्णु जैन से मेरी भी बात हुई, टाइम्स नाउ पर भी लगातार वो आते रहे. एक बात उन्होंने बहुत स्पष्ट बताई है कि उन्होंने न तो कोई नारा लगाया
जी,
और न ही उनके साथ जाते हुए कोई भीड़ गई थी जिसने नारा लगाया. 7:30 बजे सर्वे शुरू हुआ पत्थरबाजी होनी शुरू हो गई। 11:30 बजे जब वो निकल रहे थे, यानी लौट रहे थे, जब पुलिस उनको बचा कर ले आ रही थी, उस वक्त उस जगह पर खड़े हुए कुछ लोगों ने नारे लगाए, और वो उनके समर्थन में इसलिए लगाए क्योंकि दूसरी तरफ से पत्थरबाजी हो रही। ये उन्होंने बताया, और जो कह रहे हैं, सपा के प्रवक्ता ने भी मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया, AIMIM के भी प्रवक्ता मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं कि विष्णु जैन वहां गए थे। प्रोहिबिटरी ऑर्डर तो छोड़िए, वो कोर्ट के आदेश पर गए थे।
Kamruzaman Chaudhary, the Congress party needs to answer why now? Why is the Congress party all of a sudden woken up? Is this really a competition, a race going on between the Congress and the Samajwadi Party for a particular vote bank? Bypolls में तो खैर आप लोगों ने पहले ही गिव अप कर दिया था. Please respond.
No, this is a very skewed way of addressing why Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party is wanting to visit Sambal. You see, when Manipur happened 1.5 years ago, two sections of the community baying for blood of each others have been separated permanently. I suppose it's a very bad thing, but I believe it is now permanent separation of the two communities in Manipur. That time also Rahul Gandhi visited Manipur, addressed the people of both the communities, not one community, mind you. He started his Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra from Manipur itself, and in solidarity with the victims of Manipur violence. It was not standing in support of the Maitis or the Kugis. Same case in Sambal. If Rahul Gandhi's presence would have brought out the actual story of Sambal killings to the public
How
domain,
can you say that?
what's wrong in this?
How can you say that Rahul Gandhi's presence would have brought out the truth? Then why did Rahul Gandhi not go to Bahraich? If he wants to be the voice of those who have been suppressed, why did he not go to Bahraich? Why this selectivity? Why did he not go to Sandesh Khali, sir? That's why that is what raises suspicion. BJP ruled states first to visit. Ally ruled state, don't even speak about it.
I'm addressing. I'm addressing 2 points out here. One that Guru Prakash raised about competitive appeasement. Now, what is a competitive appeasement? On the one hand, you kill people in Sambal. You do not allow the journalists to go out there.
Sir?
On the other hand,
Who
the
killed
same
people?
BJP chief minister in Assam
Who killed
is
people
banning
in
the
Sambal?
only source of protein in Assam out
Who
there.
killed people in Sambal?
This is called competitive appeasement of Hindus. This is called competitive appeasement. Yes, 1 second please.
Kamruzaman ji, who killed those people in
There's an
Sambal?
echo, Swati, can you please correct it?
Can you hear me now? You're saying you killed people in Sambal. I'm asking you, who killed people in Sambal?
The police administration of Uttar Pradesh have killed the people in Sambal.
The autopsy report, Kamruzaman Chaudhary says that people who died in the violence was not by police firing.
Out there.
The autopsy report says it was not by police firing.
That was the problem. No. Forget the autopsy reports, forget the police reports. Go into the simple intelligence, go and ask the people in Sambal.
No, why forget the autopsy report?
Why? Because these are all
the autopsy report is saying it's not because of police firing.
Because of the Uttar Pradesh administration. My simple point. No. Swati, you must understand the fundamental point out here. जिस एसपी ने, जिस डीएम ने फायरिंग को ऑर्डर किया, वो अभी तक सस्पेंड नहीं करके इंक्वायरी कमेटी कैसे चली गई संबल में इंक्वायरी करने? विल देयर बी ए ट्रूथ कमिंग आउट ऑफ संबल? That's why Rahul Gandhi needed to go out there.
But whose
so
truth?
That the truth
That's the question. Whose truth? You are rubbishing the autopsy report. You are rubbishing the autopsy report. Guru Prakash, I know you want to come in, but 1 second. You are rubbishing the autopsy report. Whose truth are we talking about here? Harshvardhan Tripathi, किसका सच? ऑटोप्सी रिपोर्ट को मानने के लिए कमरुज़मान चौधरी तैयार नहीं. वो कह रहे हैं राहुल गांधी का प्रेजेंस वहां पर होता, वो जाते तो सच सामने आता. किसका सच?
स्वाति जी, मुझे नहीं पता राहुल जी के पास कोई दिव्य दृष्टि हो, कोई तरीका हो जिससे कि वो जान जाते हो, क्योंकि तरीके तो यही होते हैं. ऑटोप्सी रिपोर्ट भी होती है, पोस्टमार्टम होता है, वहां जो कमेटी बनी है वो लोगों से बात करेगी. और संभल के लोग तो ये भी बता रहे हैं कि यहां हम लोग जाते थे मंदिर में, अपने पीढ़ियों के पहले की बात कर रहे हैं. तो या तो आप जो टेक्निकल साइंटिफिक एविडेंस है उसको आप मानिए, या जो लोग कह रहे हैं उसको आप मानिए. और अभी तक विष्णु जैन के ऊपर आरोप लगा रहे थे. अब कमरुज्जमान जी, एक बात और जो सही नहीं है वो बोल रहे हैं. लगातार टीवी चैनल के कैमरों पर ही रिपोर्ट आती रही, और मैंने खुद वहां जो ग्राउंड रिपोर्ट करके आए उन लोगों से बात की हुई है. तो ये भी एक झूठ फैलाने की कोशिश हो रही है कि कोई जो मीडिया का है वो भी वहां जा नहीं रहा है. अब ये भी एक कमाल की बात है. मतलब ये क्यों ये झूठ बोल रहे हैं कमरुज्जमा लगातार? क्योंकि टीवी चैनलों पर रिपोर्ट है, बाकायदा रिपोर्टर ने वहां से रिपोर्ट किया, बाकायदा उस पूरे जो घटनाक्रम है उसको दिखाया, फिर भी ये झूठ क्यों बोल रहे हैं ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा है।
फैजान किदवई, प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड, किसका सच?
यस, सच ये आपको बता दूं, सबसे पहले जो जर्नलिस्ट साहब बैठे हैं उनको बता दूं, जो विष्णु जैन को कवरिंग फायर दे रहे हैं सर, विष्णु जैन बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ द सर्वे टीम is it violates the conflict of interest. It is against the principles of natural justice. जैसे you cannot be a judge in the case or part of an investigating team if you are directly related to a particular case. Vishnu Jain is a plaintiff in this case and at the same time he is the lawyer of government of Uttar Pradesh. तो विष्णु जैन उस सर्वे टीम का हिस्सा नहीं हो सकते थे। पहली बात।
मस्जिद कमिटी members can also not.
Swati, please, you won't interject them, right?
I'm asking you only this thing. I'm asking for a clarification.
Madam.
I'm asking for a clarification. So you're saying Vishnu Shankar Jain cannot be a part of this survey. The Masjid committee members also cannot be a part of the survey?
See, Masjid committee members, see, there were six people who were made party to this entire case. By post and by registered post, some of them were hand-handed this notice, but only the Masjid committee was not served the notice. So it also violates provisions of civil procedure code, because you cannot order a survey without making the Masjid committee party. And they were not even informed. They have to be given time to respond.
So how were they part of the survey? If they didn't know about it, how were they part of the survey?
They were served the notice the very moment the survey was about to start. It is a known fact. Vishnu Jain managed this survey order within few hours.
He managed the court.
Vishnu Jain.
He managed the
survey order. You know that, right? That he went to the court and in 2 hours he got the survey order. You know that, right? Come on, don't tell me you're not aware of the fact.
No, one
Within
second.
few hours,
I am aware of the timeline. I am aware of the timeline.
Yes,
like you just said,
so,
Vishnu Shankar,
yeah.
like you got the timeline wrong. You're saying Masjid committee members were part of the survey, but Vishnu Shankar Jain cannot be part of the survey. You're saying that he managed the court order. Everything has been managed. So let me take a quick counter.
The Masjid committee. No. You have to let me complete.
Okay, finish.
Yes, the Masjid committee members were inside the Masjid. Where else would they be? So if there's a survey, the Masjid committee members will have to be present on the survey site to show them around.
So which means they knew in advance, right, that it is going to happen. You're saying it all happened in hot haste.
Oh, come on, Swati. Why are you deliberately trying to take the side?
I'm just asking you a follow-up question. Am I not allowed to do that? I'm just seeking clarification on the timeline that you presented.
Madam, they reached the site. The Masjid committee members were given the survey, the court orders, and they were asked to get the survey done. Okay, chalo, the survey was done. Everything was done peacefully.
Yes.
They came back again. 29th was the date on which the respondents, the Masjid committee was supposed to go to the courts. But even before that, on 23rd night, they came again that we want to do a survey again. And it was the legitimate right of the Masjid committee to say that once a survey has been done, kindly tell me why again. And if at all you want to get the survey done again, get a fresh court order. The DM, the SDM.
But what is the point that you're arriving at, Faizan Kidwai?
I am saying that everything was done deliberately to incite communal riots.
Why and who's benefiting from that? Who's benefiting?
You don't know who benefits from communal rights. Bharatiya Janata Party. Unfortunate reality of our times is the more Muslims suffer or bleed,
Bharatiya Janata Party. No, one second. You know, first. No, one second. Now, one second. First, it was said that this is because of bipoles. First, it was said because this is because of bipoles. The results came on the 23rd. Violence happens on the 24th. So who will benefit from communal violence after the results are out? Is one question that needs to be asked. Then one more statement that came in from Mr. Ram Gopal Yadav was कि अगर बूथ लूटे जाएंगे हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी तो पत्थर चलेंगे. तो ये बाइपोल के बारे में था, ये इलेक्शन के बारे में था, ये बूथ लूटने के बारे में था, ये सर्वे के बारे में था, ये मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी के बारे में था, किसके बारे में था ये?
स्वाति जी, सबसे पहले तो इस शो पर इतना झूठ लोग क्यों बोल रहे हैं मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. 19 तारीख को सर्वे हुआ. सर्वे उस दिन पूरा नहीं हो सका. 6:30 बजे के बाद रोशनी कम हो गई. सर्वे का काम 29 तारीख तक पूरा किया जाना था. 23 तारीख की शाम को नोटिस सर्व किया गया. 24 तारीख की सुबह से सर्वे वहां किया गया और सर्वे जब होने लगा तो 3 तरफ से पथराव हुआ जिसमें पुलिस वालों को भी चोटें आई हैं
जी।
उनके भी हाथ पैर टूटे हैं, सर टूटे हैं।
एक और बात
ये
हर्षवर्धन
किसी
जी,
को याद नहीं है।
ये जो कहा है फैजान किदवई ने, विष्णु शंकर जैन हैड नो राइट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द सर्वे।
नहीं, अरे कमाल है, विष्णु शंकर जैन उसमें वकील है, क्यों नहीं जाएंगे वो? कोर्ट कमिश्नर ने जो टीम तय की, ये तो बड़ा विचित्र है। मतलब ये कहां से आ गया, ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
स्वाति जस्ट पुट मी अक्रॉस, मेरी बात बोलने दीजिए। प्लेंटिफ है, प्लेंटिफ नहीं हिस्सा हो सकता है।
अरे सर, आपको
पता कुछ है
नहीं पता है, आप कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं।
कुछ है नहीं, आपको कुछ आता जाता है
नहीं। आप कह रहे हैं
यहाँ से बाहर बीजेपी की चमचागिरी करने, आप बीजेपी के चमचे हैं, बीजेपी की चमचागिरी
इस तरह की बात मत कीजिए फैजान किदवई, प्लीज थोड़ा सा आप संयम रखिए। डोंट टेक पर्सनल जाइब्स, don't take personal jibes, it's not needed. Everybody has a right to speak their mind and present their point of view and perspective. You said something is countering you, there's no need to take these personal jibes. Guru Prakash.
No, I don't understand this. स्वाति, अभी मैं सुन रहा था बहुत ध्यान से दानिश जी की बातों को। अभी मैं बिहार से लाइव हूं। इसी बिहार में लालकृष्ण आडवाणी जी को रोका गया था, उनको गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया था, उनकी यात्रा नहीं पूरी होने दी गई थी। तब तो आपने बहुत सेकुलरिज्म का डंका बजाया था। आज क्या हो गया? You have to understand, no, you cannot have different strokes for different folks. This is just beyond my comprehension. जब लालकृष्ण आडवाणी को आप कह सकते हैं और यहां पे जब पीस के लिए, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर के लिए, स्टेबिलिटी के लिए उनको रोका गया है, जब पब्लिक जानती है इस बात को कि आप वहां जाकर के कॉम्युनली चार्ज एटमॉस्फेयर में आप दंगा भड़काना चाहते हैं शुद्ध रूप से। और अभी मैं इनकी बातों से आई टेक अ लॉट ऑफ ऑफेंस व्हेन ही सेड दैट पुलिस वालों ने मारा है। अरे पुलिस वाले अपने आत्मरक्षा नहीं करेंगे क्या? पुलिस वाले का हमारा परिवार नहीं है क्या? पुलिस वाले को सेल्फ डिफेंस का अधिकार नहीं है क्या? अगर पुलिस वाले पे हमले होंगे तो पुलिस वाले को भी सेल्फ डिफेंस का पूरा अधिकार है। पुलिस वाले को डेमोनाइज करना बंद करिए आप। दिस इज नॉट द वे।
एक्टिविटी आप हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं, एक और क्वेश्चन है जिसका जवाब नहीं मिला है। That why is it that Rahul Gandhi did not visit Sandesh Khali, and why all of a sudden he is reminded of Sambhal after the Samajwadi Party highlighted how big Sambhal is, and that one party should not just try and create this logjam in the parliament by raising one issue, and that suggestion came in from both the TMC and the Samajwadi Party. Thank you very much to our panelists on debate number 1. We're moving on and shifting our focus to debate number 2.